Recording has started. हाँ. हाँ, write down the table. Left hand side first table, then right hand side. Good morning, good morning. Start writing. On left hand side table first, then right hand side. Let me explain. We are given equation. Any equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side. And what we do on left hand side, we keep all the variables x, y, a, and on the right hand side we take all the numbers. Write down this fast. Maximum 5 minutes I will give. Maximum 5 minutes I will give to copy down this table. So I am explaining simultaneously, and those who are joining late, please be on the time. So in this table there are two equations. All three tables. One is left hand side, other is right hand side. On left hand side we take all the variables, means alphabets, and on right hand side we take all the numbers. Then what is the rule? Whenever we change the side from left hand side to right hand side, whenever we change the sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. That is the first rule. To any equation, write on this table, all the three tables, maximum 5 minutes I will give. So to any equation there are two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side we take all the variables, and on right hand side we take all the numbers together. Then what the rule says, whenever we change the side, whenever what? My dear, that is the table of addition or subtraction. That is the table of addition. That is what every time. That is why I have written this. So that to remove all of your confusion, I have written these three tables. I am very much confident. No, my dear, that is the table of addition or subtraction. In table of multiplication, I have written minus, minus, plus. In multiplication, minus, minus become plus. But whenever it is addition or subtraction, minus, minus will remain minus. But we add the number. For example, minus 2, minus 3. I will take the minus sign. If they are having same sign, I have to take the common sign minus and add the number. 2 plus 3, 5, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 3 is minus 5. But if it is minus 2 into minus 3, then it is minus into minus plus 6. Are you getting? So, yes, very good, very good. So our job is to remove all the confusion. Minus, minus will be plus. When it will be plus? Whenever there is multiplication between them. But minus, minus will remain minus, but we have to add the number in case of addition or subtraction. If there is no multiplication sign between them, we treat them as table of addition or subtraction. Whenever they have said, we have to add the number, but we have to take the common sign minus. For example, minus 2, minus 3. Both are having minus, minus sign, so I will take the common sign minus and add the number 2 plus 3, 5, minus 5. Write down this table. Now hardly 3 minutes I will give you to copy. Board is very much clear, my dear. Write down this table because we want to using this. Mute the microphone. Yes. Using this table, we have to solve the problem of 9.5, 9.6. Huh? You can take the screenshot, no problem. Instead of writing, I have left it up to you. So whenever there is minus sign, you have to be careful whether there is multiplication between them. If there is multiplication between them, then only minus will become plus. If there is no multiplication sign, minus will remain minus, but you have to add the number. Yes. So minus. It is very much clear, my dear, from our side. No, my dear. It is clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. Now you can take the screenshot also if you want. This video I will send. Now let us solve the problem based on this. See here. Whenever this is table of addition or subtraction. Plus, add the number. Minus, add the number. Plus, subtract and take the sign of bigger number. Minus, plus, subtract, take the sign of bigger number. So whenever, what is the motto of this? What is the motto of this table? Whenever they have same sign, you have to add the number and take the common sign. Whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract the number and take the sign of bigger number. Then it comes table of multiplication. In multiplication, plus, minus become plus minus become minus plus become minus. In case of multiplication, so minus is plus in case of multiplication, but minus is minus in case of addition or subtraction. Is it clear? So minus will be plus if it is multiplication. Minus will be minus, but you have to add the number in case of addition or subtraction. So based on this, minus add, because this is table of addition or subtraction. Because minus, we take the common sign minus. For example, add means, for example, minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3, they have same sign, so I will take the common sign minus, and then we have to add the number 2 plus 3, 5. Are you getting? Minus sign, we take the common sign minus and add the number 2 plus 3. No need to write. This we will see in the problem. So let us solve 9.5. Exercise 9.5. Let us solve. First, solve. Write down this. Solve x minus 3 is equal to 5. So you have to find the value of x. Yes. Now x minus 3 is 5. So this is my, this is my left hand side, and A question. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. This is first A. This is my left hand side before equal to is my left hand side, after equal to right hand side. Now what we do, we keep the variable on left hand side and all the number on the right hand side. Yes, you have to write. So now x will take x only. Now LHS. Now this minus 3 which is on the left hand side, I will take it on the right hand side. So that becomes 5, remain 5 only. Then minus 3 we are changing the side. So minus 3 will become plus 3. So what is 5 plus 3? 8. So the value of x is 8, and this is the answer. X is equal to 8. X minus 3 is equal to 5. So we take minus 3 on the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. Then B, x plus 3 is equal to 2. X plus 3 is equal to 2. Now this is my left hand side, this is my left hand side, and this is my right hand side. Wait, this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. Now I will, you can write it afterwards, no problem. My dear, one minute. What you are, wait, minus 2, minus 3, they have same sign, minus, so I will take the common sign minus and add the number 2 plus 3, 5. But if it is minus 2 into minus 3, there is multiplication sign. So minus become plus, 2 into 3 is 6. Are you getting? Okay. No. Let us solve this. Now this side, on left hand side it is plus 3. We take it on the right hand side, it will become minus 3. So x is equal to 2 minus 3. Now what is sign of 2? What is sign of 2? Plus. What is sign of 3? Minus. So now you have to see that they have opposite sign. So whenever they have opposite sign, you have to subtract. You have to subtract 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. You write it, no. I have shown that before equal to is my LHS, after mute the microphone, all of you, mute the microphone. One by one you should ask, no. I have written to show that before equal to is my left hand side, after equal to is my right hand side, that's all. Now this is, ask the doubt, yes. How plus came? Because my dear, on left hand side it is minus 3, I am taking minus 3 on the right hand side, so whenever you change the side, this minus become plus, minus 3 become plus 3 because it is on the right hand side. That would, yes. Now sign of 2 is plus, sign of 3 is minus. They have opposite sign, you have to subtract. 3 minus 2, 1. Now which number is bigger? 3. What is sign of that? Minus. So x is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Then see, x minus 6 is equal to 3. This will be homework. Right. Y plus 2 is equal to 9. This is also homework. Then E, x plus 2 is equal to 2. Let us solve this. X plus 2 is equal to 2. Now this is my left hand side, and this is my same right hand side. Now this plus 2 on the left hand side, you take it on the right hand side. So x will be, x is equal to 2 on the right hand side as it is. Now this plus 2 I will take it on the right hand side, it becomes minus 2. So what is 2 minus 2? What is 2 minus 2? 0. So answer is x is equal to 0. Yes. Wait. E, x is 0. Are mute the microphone. Yes. No, my dear, this is minus sign. This you will take it on the other side. It becomes 3 plus 6, 9. Okay. Now, no, f x plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay. Question it is minus 2. Okay. minus 2. So this will become minus 2 is there on the right hand side. Now this left hand side, we take it on the right hand side, it become minus 2. So minus of minus 2. So whenever they have same sign, minus minus, I will write minus sign and add the number 2 plus 2 4, x is minus 4. This is the answer. Alright, a minus 5 is equal to, I had explained just now, my dear. A minus 5 is minus 2. You are not listening, no. You are not listening what I am. A minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Now a minus 5 is my, it is clear, right? A minus 5 is like, so a minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Now we take minus 5 on the other side, it become minus 2. We take on minus 5 on the other side, minus 5 become plus 5. Now they have opposite sign, minus and plus, we have to subtract. 5 minus 2, 3. Which number is bigger? 5. What is sign of that? Plus. So plus 5 sign we don't write. So a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. My dear, we are taking this plus 2 on the other side. On left hand side we keep the variable and on right hand side we take all the numbers. So this plus 2, minus 2 we are keeping minus 2 only right hand side. But this plus 2 we are taking on the right hand side, which become minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 same sign. You take the common sign minus, add the number 2 plus 2 4, minus 4. 1 minute. This is there in the question. Now minus 5, on left hand side we take all the variables and all the number we take it on the right hand side. This is minus 5, we take it on the right hand side. So minus 2 RHS, then minus 5 become plus 5. Minus 5 become plus 5. Now they have opposite sign. Opposite sign means you have to subtract 5 minus 2, 3. Which number is bigger? 5. What is sign of that? Plus. So plus 3. Then second, solve. First, x upon 4 is equal to 5. X upon 4 is equal to 5. Now x upon 4 is a fraction. Are you getting? So left hand side is fraction, right hand side is not a fraction. So this we write x upon 4 is equal to 5 upon 1. Very good, 5 upon 1. Now I will cross multiply. Whenever there is equality of fraction, you have to cross multiply. Whenever there is equality of fraction, you have to cross multiply. You have to cross multiply whenever there is equality of fractions. So cross multiply in this way. So what you will get? X into 1 is equal to 5 into 4 or 4 into 5, one the same. X into 1 multiplied with any number will give you same number x. 5 into 4 is 20. So this is the answer, x is equal to 20. Then B, y upon, yes, yes. Because my dear, this is equality of two fractions. X upon 4 is one fraction, 5 upon 1 is another fraction. Whenever there is equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. This is equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. That's all. Understood? Now y upon 2 is equal to minus 3. Y upon 2 is equal to minus 3. So this we write y upon 2 is a fraction, but minus 3 is not a fraction. So we write minus 3 upon 1. Now both left hand side and right hand side are fraction. So whenever there is equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. You have to cross multiply. So you will get y into 1, y into 1 is equal to minus 3 into 2. Y into 1 is equal to minus 3 into 2. 1 multiplied with any number will give you same number y. Then now it is multiplication. It is multiplication. Minus sign and plus sign. Multiplication of minus and plus is minus 3 into 2 is 6. So y is equal to minus 6. This is the answer. Y is equal to minus 6 is the answer. Right. Then, wait, see 2x upon 4 is equal to 3. 2x upon 4 is equal to 3. 2x upon 4 is equal to 3. Now this is my fraction. Left hand side is fraction. Right hand side is not a fraction. Wait, no. So to make this fraction, we write this as 2x upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 1. Now my left hand side is fraction, right hand side is fraction, and there is equality of fraction. Whenever there is equality of fraction, you have to cross multiply. So you will get so 2x into 1 is equal to 4 into 3 or 3 into 4, one the same. Now 1 multiplied with any number will give you same number, so 2x into 1 will be 2x. Then 4 into 3 is 12. 4 into 3 is 12, right? 4 into 3 is 12. Now what do you mean by 2x? Yes, what do you mean by 2x? 2 into x. Yes, 2x means 2 into x. So 2 into x is equal to 12. Now wait no my dear. This is my left hand side. This is my left hand side and this is right hand side. Correct? Now see here. Now 2 is there. Everything is clear. You see the adjustment of your phone. Now, no my dear. Now 2 is there. Now 2 is there in the multiplication. 2 is there in the multiplication. So when we change the side of 2 from left hand side to right hand side, 2 is there in the multiplication. So 2 will go in the division. So you will get x is equal to 12 divided by 2, because 2 is there in the multiplication. So whenever you change the side of 2, 2 will go in the division. Now you can cancel 12 with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So answer is x is equal to 6. Answer is x is equal to 6. Answer is x is equal. Wait, we'll see. X is equal to 6. My dear, 1 minute. 2 into x is 12. Now 2 is there in the multiplication. Wait, no. 2 is there in the multiplication. Whenever I will change the side of 2, multiplication becomes division. So 12 divided by 2, 2 6 are 12. So answer is 6. Then D. No, I have changed the side. No. See, before equal to 2 is there in the multiplication. But after equal to, now 2 has gone in the division. I have changed the side of 2, no? X upon 3 is equal to 2. Homework. Then E. X upon 6 is equal to minus 4. My dear, you are not paying attention. That is why you are not understanding. I am explaining nicely and slowly, but you are not paying attention what I am speaking. Let me explain finally. Wait. 2x upon 4 is 3. 2x upon 4 is a fraction. So this 3 we also write fraction, we write denominator 1. So now this is 2x upon 4 is a fraction, 3 upon 1 is another fraction. Whenever you have equality of two fractions, you have to cross multiply. So 2x into 1 is equal to 4 into 3. 2x into 1 is 2x. 4 into 3 is 12. 2x means it is 2 into x. 12. So now 2 is there in the multiplication on left hand side. Now I will change the side of 2. From left hand side, I will take 2 on right hand side. So 2 will go in the division. So that will become 12 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So x is 6. Twelve came. 4 into 3. What is 4 into 3? Huh? Then you don't know the table of 4 and 3. Then x upon 4 is equal to 1. X upon 4 is equal to 1. Let me give all three homework. D here. Then third, my dear, from our side it is very much clear. No, except 2-3 student. For other the board is clear. What is there? None. Solve. 2x is equal to 8. Solve this. 2x is equal to 8. What do you mean by 2x? What do you mean by 2x? 2 into x. 2 into x is equal to 8. So this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Now before equality, 2 is there in the multiplication. So when I will change the side of 2, 2 will go in the division. So x is equal to 8 upon 2. X is equal to 8 upon 2. X is equal to 8 upon 2. You can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So x is equal to 4. This is the answer. Now do it next. 4y is equal to minus 12. 4y is equal to minus 12. What do you mean by 4y? 4 into y. 4 into y is equal to minus 12. Now this is my left hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Now in left hand side 4 is in the multiplication. So when I will change the side of 4, 4 will go in the division. So y is equal to 12 minus 12 minus 12 upon 4. Minus 12 upon 4. So you can cancel 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, but minus sign is there. So it will be minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to third one I am not erasing, right. Now next is 2x minus 3 is 7. See, 2x minus 3 is 7. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. 2 into x. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Now before equal to, it is minus 3. So what you will do? You will take 3 on the other side. You will take 3. It will become plus 3. Yes, very good. It will become plus 3. So you will get 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. Now this minus 3 on the left hand side, we take it on the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. So 2x is equal to, what is 7 plus 3? 10. Now what do you mean by 2x? 2 into x. So 2 into x is equal to 10. Now this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. This is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. In left hand side, 2 is in the multiplication. So when I will change the side of 2, 2 will go in the division. So x is equal to 10 upon 2. 10 divided by 2. You can cancel. Yes. 2 5s are 10. So answer is x is equal to 5. Answer is x is equal to 5. Answer is x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. This is over. Write it, chalo, please. Write it. Wait, my dear. C, D is 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. This will be homework. Then E, 4x minus 1 is equal to 7. Right. This is my homework. My dear, mute the microphone. Now, D, E, F. Now F is, let me do one more, F. F is 5z minus 3 is equal to 7. 5z. Now this is minus 3. This is minus 3. We take minus 3 on the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. So 5z is equal to, mute the microphone, Ablani. 7 plus 3. Wait, no, my dear. I am there in the class now. 5z is equal to, we take minus 3 on the right hand side, it becomes plus 3. So 5z is equal to 10. Now what do you mean by 5z? What do you mean by 5 into z? 5 into z is equal to 10. Wait. 5 into z, this is my left hand side. My dear, unnecessary you are telling board is blurred. 5z is 10. So z is equal to 5 will go in the division, 10 upon 5. So you can cancel 10 with 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So z is equal to 2. The answer is z is equal to 2. Write it. The answer is z is equal to 2. The answer is z is equal to 2. Yes. You write it. I will. You write it. My dear, just now some of the students they are joining. This is not the time to join. Please. Next time I will not allow anybody. Now it is clear, right? Now we stop here. A1 5z minus 3 is equal to 7. So 5z is equal to minus 3. We take it on the right hand side. It becomes plus D. Fourth one I will start. No, we are having one more period. No, and it is 10:30. Now we stop here. Yes, I am there. Yes, those who have completed, we are having one more fourth period. Fourth period we will do fourth one. Bye. See you in the fourth period. Fourth period will solve the problem fourth. Bye. Take care. Yes.